Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the RAG app chat with your PDF. So basically we are going to upload a PDF and then we are going to ask questions from that PDF. Okay, so what exactly the RAG is and why we are building this one. So let's have a look. So we are building an app where you can upload any PDF, a research paper, a legal contract, a user manual, a book, and have a real conversation with it. You ask questions in a plain English and the app finds the relevant parts of the document and gives you the accurate, grounded answers. Think of it like normal chat GPT answers from its training data. Our app answers from your document specifically. It quotes your document, not the internet. Okay, this is called the RAG app, Retrieval Augmented Generation. What does it mean? RAG, breakdown, retrieval. Find the right pieces of text from your document that are relevant to the question you asked. Augmented, taking those pieces and giving them to the AI model an extra context so it has the right information. Generation, the AI reads those pieces and generate a helpful human readable answer. In short, instead of the AI guessing from the memory, it first looks up the answer in your document, then explains it to you. How does it work step by step? So first of all, we are going to load the PDF. Your PDF is the real and all the text is extracted from it. Example, a 50-page employee handbook becomes a big block of text. Chop into the chunks. So that big block of text is split into the small overlapping pieces called the chunks, maybe 500 words each. Okay, why? Because AI models can only read a limited amount at a once. So chunking means sure nothing important gets cut off mid sentence. Step 3, turn chunks into the numbers, that is embeddings. Each chunk is converted into a list of numbers called an embedding. These numbers capture the meaning of that chunk, not just the words. Similar topics equal to similar numbers. This is done by embedding model. Example, how much is the salary and what is the pay rate will produce very similar numbers even though the words differ. Fourth step, store in a vector database. All those number lists are stored in a special database called a vector store. We use FAISS, which runs locally on your machine. Think of it like a super smart index, like the index at the back of your book, but it understands meaning, not just keywords. So you ask a question. Step 5th, you type what is the refund policy. Your question is also converted into the numbers, same embedding model. Step 6, find the most relevant chunks. The vector store compares your question's numbers to all the chunk numbers and finds the top 3 5 most relevant pieces of the text. This is the retrieval step, fetching the right into the info fast. Step 7, AI reads and answers. Those relevant chunks plus your question are sent to the Claude, the AI. The Claude reads the context and writes a clear, accurate. It only uses what was found in your document, so no hallucination from journal training data. Step 8, you continue chatting. You can ask follow-up questions. This the app keeps track of the conversation so the answers stay coherent across turns. Okay, now, real world use cases. The legal teams chatting with the contracts. What are the termination clauses? Doctors scoring patient notes on research papers. So, these are the use cases. Students studying the long textbooks summarize the chapter 3. Customer support bots trained on a product manual. Developers querying API documentation. HR teams letting employees search the company handbooks. So what technologies we are going to use? That is first one, LangChain, the framework that wires everything together, PDF loading, chunking, retrieval, AI calls, PyPDF, read and extract the text from the PDF files, sentence transformers, to convert the text chunks into the numbers, embeddings. So basically we are using the all mini LM L6v2. It's a small fast free model from Hugging Face. FAISS, Facebook Vector Database, runs in a memory, finds similar chunks in milliseconds. Claude Anthropic API, AI, that we are going to use for retrieving the chunks and writes the final answer. Python plus .env file, our programming language, and the secret key file. Okay, so what we are able to do, run the app from the terminal, give it any PDF, watch it process the document, ask questions in plain English, get the answers, keep chatting, ask follow-ups, and dig deeper. So we already made this one. So this is the simple. What makes this different from just searching the PDF? Normal search looks the exact keyword, matches, misses synonymous phrases, related ideas, returns a raw text, not an explanation. Normal search. If we are doing the RAG search, understands meaning, not just words, finds the right section even if you used different words, gives you proper explained answer, not the raw text, can synthesize across multiple sections of the document. So this is a RAG search, right? So the analogy that makes it click, imagine you hired a very smart assistant and gave them 200-page report without RAG. You ask assistant a question and they answer from memory, possibly mixing up the facts and then inventing details. With RAG, the assistant first opens the report, flips to the relevant pages, reads them carefully, then gives you the answer based on exactly what the report says. This is RAG. We are giving the AI eyes to look things up before it speaks. Okay, so let's have a look. I have made this one. So this is the ragchat.py. Okay, so here the LangChain comment document do not be resolved pylons reporting quick fix. So hugging which are the requirement.txt. Let me check. So I need to install this and this sentence transformers. These are the missing, so let me add this one. Okay, so give me a 1 minute. I need to have a look of that. So let's install this extend this packages. So first of all we have to go to our directory. Okay, so terminal, let's go back to the directory. Okay, now I'm going to install our requirement.txt file. Okay, so we'll just hit right. So which are the packages here? You can just take a look. These are the packages that I'm going to install. Okay, so requirement.txt file. After that we have a rag. Okay, so let's see anything. Hugging Face and everything is installing right now. It is 53 2.1 MB. So let's see how much time it will take. Almost done. Again there is a 366.2 MB file. So let it complete. Let me pause it, then we'll come back that everything is done or not. So now you can see that I have just run this command python 3 ragchat.py. So JavaScript notes professional PDF. So this is my PDF name. So I have added this one. Okay, so after that it to just loading the PDF, splitting into the chunks, all the process he has done. Okay, first time it will take time. Okay, after that now I'm asking the question what is JavaScript. So it gave me the AI based answer what is JavaScript from the PDF. If I'm gonna just copy and paste it from the PDF search, you can see that copy, and here I'm going to search. So here you can see that JSON is a lightweight data interchange format. Okay, so it's a lightweight data. So basically it's searched from the PDF, not from the internet. So all the data coming from the PDF, right? After that I ask him about the alert boxes. Okay, based on the context, here is the everything: window dot alert, syntax. Okay, so everything what it does displays a visual alert box on the screen, the alert method, parameter. So everything from the important nodes, it comes from this. So if I just search alert box, okay, so here we have the alert box, right? So it get all the answer from this, but about the alert box, how to write it, everything. So from here it get the answer and give me that this context. Okay, so here you can example javascript alert hello world. So here you can see window.alert hello world. Okay, so this is how from the PDF you will get your answers. So you don't need to like scan all the PDF, read all the PDF, whatever answers you want to ask, just upload the PDF and just write down the questions. It automatically refrain and give you the correct answers from the PDF. That is called the RAG. Okay, so we have already built that one. Okay, and another thing, if you want the full source code, then please do let me know in the comment section. I will give you full ragchat.py and this txt file plus the requirement.txt file, so that you can set up on your system also. Okay, if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.